In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase returns in Teleprime. As you can see here on this date, on 22nd of January, return 10 Corolla windscreens to Mr. Matthew, which is our vendor. That means we are returning items back to our vendor at the rate of $400 per unit. So from the gateway of Tele, we will just go to the transaction and click on vouchers. But on the main screen, we can see only a couple of vouchers. None of them are related to debit or credit note. But as we hold alternate key, we will see all which is with the alt combination. As you can see here, debit note is F5 with a dash, credit note is F6 with a dash. So all which is used as a combination of alternate key will be shown as you click or hold alternate key. Otherwise, you can click on other vouchers to see all the accounting vouchers that you cannot see otherwise. But most of the people are confused that whether purchase return is a debit note or credit note. I'll just tell you a simple rule for it. Normally, when you enter purchases is debit. So to make the purchase return, it will be a debit note. So just link it to purchases. When we purchase something, it's debit, so return will be debit note. When we sell something, sale is credit, so return will be credit note. So I'll select debit note. And as you can see, the template is exactly the same for all the documents, whether you enter sales, purchases, sales order, purchase order, all the templates are same. Mr. Matthew, let's choose Mr. Matthew here, hit enter, enter and enter. If you can fill this detail, you have the documents, then you can fill it right away. Otherwise, I'll just hit enter and ignore all of this. Ledger, we will select purchases here. The configuration of the purchases, let me just show you. Control enter. Just simply, you need to create an account with the purchases and under the purchase accounts. That's it. Control A. We are returning 10 Corolla windscreens. So let's choose Corolla windscreens and item is 10 at the rate of 400. So the total amount that we are returning is 4,000. End of list. That's it. You can press enter a couple of times. And if you want to link this against a reference, once you go in this total amount field and press one more time enter, you will see this method of adjustment, whether you want to create a new reference for it on account or you want to settle it against reference. So we don't have any reference against that, so I'll settle it on account. Otherwise, it's preferred to settle it against the reference. So let's copy and paste this narration right here and press Ctrl A. And this is how you can book the purchase returns in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.